Nasubukan nyo na bang gawin sa crab and corn soup nyo yung ganitong luto? Ay kung hindi pa, para sa itong video na to. Kaya let's go. Magkat tayo dyan ng garlic at onion. Sunod natin yung red bell pepper at yung green bell pepper. Parsley, pang garnish natin, at yung garlic butter bread natin. Then kunin natin yung UFC crab and corn soup with flavorful powder mix and hearty bits. Sulit because it has real and big meats and vegetable bits. Then lagay tayo dyan ng butter, garlic, onion, red bell pepper at green, pati na rin yung mussel or tahong, a dash of white wine. Then kunin natin yung UFC crab and corn soup natin. At kapag ganyan na yung texture, lagay nyo lang yung egg at i-mix nyo pa. Habol natin tong garlic butter bread. At ayan, i-plate na natin yung crab and corn soup natin na may mussels at garlic bread. So ayan, let's eat! Kung napanood mo tong video na to, sana matry mo dyan sa bahay nyo and make sure na makabili kayo lahat ng flavors ng UFC soups natin. Thank you for watching guys. Peace out!